This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tom Waters and Less Than Bedroom Greater Than Gloria Waters. Vintage Grand on Palmer Ranch. Light, bright 3-bedroom/2 bath, open floor plan, inside laundry, 2 balconies and extra storage. This second floor condo gives you the advantage of cathedral ceiling. Beautiful granite breakfast bar and countertops. Vintage Grand, complex is under renovation. This building has new stucco, paint and new hurricane-compliant windows. Community amenities include 2 swimming pools, basketball, volleyball, tennis, fitness center, fishing pier, shuffleboard, playground, picnic facility and grills. You can walk across the street to Costco. YMCA and Potter Park, 6.6 miles, Siesta Key, 4.9 miles, Scherer State Park and 1.2 miles. Legacy Trail runs through Palmer Ranch for your walking and biking enjoyment. The local bus transportation is steps away. Excellent school district, Gulfgate Elementary, Sarasota Middle School, Riverview High School. Monthly fees, $379. Maintenance, $490. Vintage Grand renovation and $93.